Hello, everybody. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kobe, and this is KaiTech Digital. I just want to wish each and every one of my subscribers a happy new year. This is 2023, and we are going to drop content back to back this year. So, if you are new over here, please do not, and I'm saying it again, do not take this channel for granted. Grab the opportunity and make sure that you enjoy every content, you watch every content on this channel, because on this channel all what we do is we give you high quality content on this channel. Now in today's video I'm going to take you through what ChatGPT is and how you can use ChatGPT to create high quality content. So all what we're going to do is how to create high quality content using ChatGPT. Now, for those of you who are hearing ChatGPT for the first time, I'm going to take you through what ChatGPT is and then how we can be able to use it. Now, it's not just for blogs or for anything. You can use ChatGPT to create anything that you want to create, any content that you want to create. So stick with us, don't go anywhere, and let's jump into the video. Okay, so now for those of you who don't know what ChatGPT is, it is an AI or artificial intelligence software which answers all your questions for you. Okay, that is the general overview of it. Now what it does is any question that you ask, this artificial intelligence software will be able to answer all the questions in detail. Okay, and then you use it to create whatever thing that you want to create. So let's say you are doing you are writing a paper or research on anything, and then you don't have any idea of it. You can just go to that software and then you'll be able to ask the software to the question that you want, and then the software will be able to give you answers to that. Okay, now this is what high quality answers, high quality content that this AI will generate for you. Okay, so for instance, we the bloggers and content creators who create content, this software is good for us, because you can use it to create all your content without even thinking anything. All what you need is it's just your bullet points or your subtitles that you'll be able to use and then ask the questions from there. So what we're going to do is what is ChatGPT and which people are behind the ChatGPT. So if you search on Google over here and then you ask Google that maybe just type in ChatGPT over there, you realize that Google will will give you ChatGPT over here, but this ChatGPT is basically owned by OpenAI. So if you look at the URL over here, it says OpenAI. Now which people are OpenAI? Now OpenAI, they are a research lab which research into artificial intelligence. Okay, so if you go over here and then you look at what OpenAI does, or what they do is they create artificial intelligence research. Okay, so they create APIs and other stuff which will help you to be able to use AI very well, and that is why they are using they've created a ChatGPT for us to be able to use it. Okay, so you can see a lot of read a lot of on their website over here. Now what we are going to do is if you come to their website like this, you realize that you see this over here which says introducing ChatGPT research release. Okay, now pardon me my voice, I'm having some cold as we entered into 2023. I'm just adjusting to the new weather in 2023. In Africa is Hamatan, and I'm having some kind of cold over here. So pardon me over here. And I mean, those in Ghana will understand me that this season is this is a Hamatan season, and kind of like having some cold over here. So please pardon me if my voice is shaky or something like that. But like I said, if you go to openai.com over here, all what you're going to see is this website over here, and then on the top over here it says introducing ChatGPT research release, try. So you can click over here and then it will take you to this URL which says chat.openai.com. okay, so that is what you need. So if you want to go straight to this place. I'll leave the link in the description for you, and then you'll be able to enter over here. Now, I am already a user over here, but for you who are not users, you need to log in with your email address and other stuff, so that you'll be able to create become a user in ChatGPT. So this is the software that we're going to use. Okay, so this is the software that we're going to use. Now, what are we going to create? Now, on my website, I want to create a blog which says how to become a YouTuber. Okay, that is what I want to create. So this blog, how to become a YouTuber. So all what I need to do is just have some bullet points over here. So as you can see, I have some bullet points over here. That is the content that I want to write about. So I've listed those contents over here, and I said who is a YouTuber, how to become a YouTuber, how to create a YouTube channel, how much does YouTube pay, and who are the richest YouTubers, and how much do they earn monthly. Okay, so these are the questions I want to ask the ChatGPT, and then I'll get the answers to use it to create my blog. Okay, so it is very simple. All what I need to do is to go back to ChatGPT over here. Let me just go to my website. So this is my website. Now I want to go to post over here, and then click on add new add new post. Okay, so I want to add a new post to my website, and then I already have the title already. The title is how to become a YouTuber. Okay, so I'll go over here, and then wait for it to load for me, and then I'll just type my heading or the title of the blog or the blog post, that article that I want to write, how to become a YouTuber over here. So for those of you who know how to use WordPress, it is very simple for you guys. But if you are new to WordPress, I have a lot of videos in my channel over here. You can go in it, and then you learn how to use WordPress. Okay, now in this year, this January, I will be releasing a full tutorial on WordPress for beginners. Okay, so I'm going to talk about how to start a WordPress website. Okay, so everything you need to know about WordPress, with introduction to WordPress, how to buy domains, how to buy hosting and connect them to your domain, how to install WordPress. I'm compiling a full video about WordPress for you guys to know all about WordPress, and then just get a full tutorial about WordPress. So the video will be coming at the end of January, God willing, and then you guys will have the full video itself. Now, but then I'll be dropping it series by series. Within the January, as we go, I'll be dropping it series by series. So watch out for this video. So like I said, the title of my my blog post is how to become a YouTuber. Okay, so how to become a YouTuber. Okay, so you can decide to add anything to it. So maybe in 2023. Okay, or you can even say how to become a successful YouTuber. Okay, so it depends on how you want to make your title. But this is this is just a title that I want to use for my blog. Okay, so my blog post. So as you can see over here, how to become a YouTuber. Now I will go back to my my chat over here. Now for those of you who are new, when you get to this place, you just click on new chat. Okay, so when you click on new chat, of course you're gonna get this over here, and then you can read through it. You see how all the examples that they've given explain quantum computing in simple terms. It will give you got any creative ideas for a 10-year-old's birthday. Will give you how do. So these are some of the requests that you can make, or the questions that you can ask the AI. Okay, the artificial intelligence to a chatbot. So my questions are over here. Okay, as you guys can see, these are my questions. So how to become a YouTuber. So who is a YouTuber? Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy this one over here, and I'll go back to my chat box over here, and then I'll just paste in who is a YouTuber over here, and then I'll click on this send button over here, and then it will start writing for me. So as simple as that, it start giving me answers, okay, of everything that I need about YouTuber. So I don't need to write anything, okay. I just need to just so as you can see, a YouTuber is a person who creates and upload video content to the video sharing website YouTube. YouTubers can be individuals or organizations, and they can create a wide range of video content, including vlogs, educational videos, music videos, comedy sketches, and more. Many YouTubers have developed large followings on the platform and have become influential figures online. Some YouTubers have even gone on to achieve mainstream fame and success. So if you think this one is not for you, is not good for you, you can also decide to say maybe write let's say 1,000 words on the topic who is a YouTuber. Okay, so I'm going to change this one to what, and then let's see what it will give us. So if you think this is not good for you, you can just command it to or write it in a command form for the chat to give you what you want. So let's go and see if it can write whatever we want. So let's see how many content it will be able to create for us. So as you can see, it keeps writing because we want it to write 1,000 words. Okay, so it keeps writing everything that we want about a YouTuber. Okay guys, so beautiful and so amazing. So as you can see, the chat GPT has created this amazing article for us about a YouTuber. Okay, so as you can see, it has written so much, up to 1,000 words for us about who a YouTuber is. So you can read through and then organize it the way you want it, but I just want to copy it as it is. Okay, so I'm gonna copy it as it is, and then all what I will need to do is go to my post over here, and then just paste it in over here. Okay, because I'm writing a post. Okay, so as you can see, I'm writing a blog post. So as you can see, I have it over here. Okay, so as you can see over here, it is an amazing thing that you can see. So a YouTuber is a person who creates and uploads video content to the video sharing website YouTube. YouTubers can be individuals or organizations, and they can create a wide range of video content, including vlogs, educational videos, music, comedies, and more. So many YouTubers, it goes on and on and on and on and on to what you want. Okay, so that is what we want. We want quality content, and we want more content. Okay, now the second question that we want to ask the software is how to become a successful YouTuber. Okay, so how to become a successful YouTuber, and that is what we are going to ask. So we just paste in our question over here, and then we click on enter, and then it starts writing for us. Okay guys, so it has created the content for us. So here are some steps you can follow to become if you want to become a YouTuber. It has created all those steps for us. Okay, so now we can just copy the whole of this one over here. You can go ahead and copy it. Let's go to our blog post over here. Go to our blog post, and then we can write the topic how to become a YouTuber. How to become a YouTuber, and then we paste in our content over there. So guys, as you can see, it is very simple. Now this is a heading, so I'm going to give it a heading tag over here. It's going to be a heading. Okay, so this is very very simple. Now we go back to what our next one, how to create a YouTube channel. Okay, so we copy this one over here, and then we come back over here, go to the chat, and then we paste in this one, and then we click enter. Now it will what, it will go ahead to what, give us the steps to become what, to create a YouTube what channel for us. Okay guys, so these are the steps that it has given us. Okay, so I'm going to copy this one over here, and then go back to my post, and then just click, hit enter, type in the title, and then give it a heading. Okay, and then I'll go over here, hit enter over here, and then come over here to copy the answer or the response that the chat gave us, and then I'm going to copy it, come back to here, to my post, and then I'll paste it in the post. Now as you can see, I have how to create a YouTube channel, the steps involved over here. Okay, now of course if you have some video, you can you add it to it, and then it will be very nice. Now our next one is also how much does YouTube pays. Okay, so now this is a general question, and we want to know what the bot or the chat GPT will give us. So we go over here, and then we paste in the question over here, and then we hit enter. Okay guys, so it has given us great answers over here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to copy the question over here, and then we go to our post, and then we paste our post, the question over here. Just make sure that we give it a heading tag, so that our users will know that this is a heading. And then we come over here, and then we copy the main response, we copy it. Now do not just copy it, please make sure that you read through. Okay, read through, and then check for plagiarism and all those things, and then know that it has given you the right answer, and then you can go. So as you can see, we have written a whole lot of research about how to become a YouTuber in 2023. Now the next one again is it's who are the richest YouTubers and how much do they earn monthly. So this is also a general question, a broad question. Any answer that you get over here, make sure that you review it very well before you use it on your blog. Okay, so I'm going to hit enter, and then check what the app is going to give me. So as you can see, that's started listing the the great YouTubers, or the estimated amount they earn for us. So they said it is difficult to determine exact income of YouTubers, as they do not publicly disclose their earning. However, some estimates of top earning YouTubers have been published by various sources. Here are a few of the richest YouTubers according to estimates. So he gave us Rankaji, and then Mr. Beast, Dude Perfect, Nasta, and then Anastasia, whatever it is. So as you can see, these are genuine answers given to us by the chat, and we just copy the question over here, copy this one, come over here, paste it over here, and then we change it to the heading tag, and then we come to the chat again, we copy the response that it gave us, copy it, come over here, and then we paste the response over there. So as you can see, we have it. So we can conclude by picking this conclusion over here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick this conclusion that it gave us over here about a YouTuber, cut it from here, and then come down over here, and then I'm going to say conclusion. And then I'll paste the conclusion over here. So as you can see, I am going to change this one to a heading tag, okay, to heading, and then that is it. So now I have my article about how to become a YouTuber in 2023, and a full article over here, okay, very full article. All what it's left is for me to add some images to it. Now of course I can go to on splash.com. Okay, go to unsplash.com and then set some images relating to YouTube and then YouTubers. Okay, so I can just search maybe YouTuber, and then see if I could get some pictures about people making YouTube videos and a whole lot. So let's say I like this one, I'll just copy this one, or save this one, or download this one. I'll come to here and then click on the medium to download the medium image, and then I have it over here. So I can go over here and then just add some images in it. Okay, so I'm going to add image over here, and then I'll select from the library, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag the image that I downloaded. So I'm going to just drag it over here. Okay, and then I'm going to what I will do is I'll just give it an alt text. So how to become a YouTuber. Okay, that is what I want to do, and then I'll just click on insert, and as you can see I have image over here. Okay, so I can go ahead and then do same for wherever I want to add image over there. So let's say I want to add image over here. I can just add the image over here, select the image, go to media library, and then upload the image over here. So I'm going to just go through my images and I upload some images over there. So let's say just some YouTube images. Okay, so I'm going to use this image over here. I'm going to post it over here, and then I'll still say how to become a YouTuber, and then I'll select it. So as you can see I have this one over here. Okay, so you can go ahead and add all the images that you want to add in it, and then also link it to any post that you want to give it an internal link and all that, so that it ranks well for you. Okay, so if let's say YouTubers over here, I can just link this one, go over here, and then just attach it to any post that I've already written. Okay, so if I have any post which is about YouTube, okay, I will link it to it, so that it will be it will be successful, and my SEO will be it will be well. Okay, and that is the most important thing. So let's wait and see. Or you can go to your dashboard over here, go to your post, okay, all your posts, and then you can check any post that is related to YouTube, and then you can link it to your post over here. So after linking up whatever you have to link, make sure that you go to set up your featured image over here, click on it to set it up, and then after that just click on on publish to publish your blog post. Okay, now you are able to have a very nice blog post for yourself. So if I publish it like this, I am supposed to see my blog post published over there. So as you can see, I have now. Let me go ahead and then set up my featured image. I forgot to set up the featured image, so let me just go ahead and then set it up, and then update it, and then I'll show you how the blog post looks like. So guys, after choosing my featured image, I have to what make sure that I assign it to a category that I want. So let's say I want to assign it to social media, digital marketing over here, and then let's say tech tips, and then I remove it from this category, and then you can assign some tag to it. So digital marketing, um, let me say YouTube over here, okay, and then social media. So now after doing all this, all what I need to do is just click on what update over here to update my settings of the blog. Now I can take a look at how the blog really looks like. So guys, as you can see, the title comes in nicely, how to become a YouTuber in 2023, and then it goes ahead to what to have this nice blog post over here. Now of course you see some other images in it. Some are advertisement and other stuff from Google AdSense. So do not really get confused over it. But as you can see, I have all my my pictures set up nicely, and everything is nicely done. And I have a very good blog post over here, created specifically by GPT. Why do I keep saying GTP? GPT. Okay. So as you can see, all the questions I asked the chat GPT is over here. How to become what a YouTuber. Okay, so that is it. So I hope this one will help you to write high quality content using this new AI software by OpenAI called ChatGPT. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you are new over here. Please turn on the notification so that anytime I drop a video, you'll be able to watch it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Like I told you, this year it's going to be full of content, quality content. Okay, so watch out. Okay, watch out, KaiTech Digital. We're going to give you a whole lot of content. Make sure to turn on the notification to see or to get any content that we post. Okay, and then also by the end of January I'll be dropping a full tutorial about WordPress for beginners. So those of you who are beginning WordPress, you want to know the ins and outs and everything that you want to know about WordPress, just hold on. The video is coming. It will come soon, and you will enjoy it. Okay, you enjoy it. You learn a whole lot that will add up to your knowledge. Okay, so see you in the next video. Bye bye.